So, hey Skin Dermaclear, yay or nay, leave or love? Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is skincare. If you guys are interested about skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Today I'll be talking about Hey Skin DermaClear. It is a 2-in-1 beauty product, a makeup remover on one side and exfoliator on the other. Curious to know more? I'll be unboxing the Hey Skin DermaClear, share information about it, show you how to use it, and of course at the end my review. Yay or nay, leave or love. If you guys are interested to know more about the Hey Skin DermaClear, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Instantly smoother skin guaranteed with Hey Skin DermaClear. This 2-in-1 facial cloth can be used as a makeup remover and an exfoliating facial cloth. It is made of cosmetic-grade, dermatologically tested microscopic weave that scoops up and lifts particles of dirt, oil, dead skin flakes, and residue from cosmetics. Each weave on the cloth is 11 times finer than silk and 134 times finer than a strand of human hair, making it a gentle and effective exfoliator. This fast and simple routine done once a day is all it takes to achieve a noticeably smoother and softer skin. No harsh chemicals, reusable, environment-friendly. What makes the DermaClear different from other facial cloths is their magic fiber ratio. Our body is made of approximately 5 million pores. An average of 20,000 of those are found on the face. When makeup, dirt, oil, and dead skin build up, they can form blockages within the pores. This causes the pores to inflame and acne starts to form. Healthy skin starts with clean skin. This is why DermaClear was designed following a magic ratio between two kinds of fibers, making it effectively reach and penetrate skin pores where impurities are deposited. Its microscopic weave is made up of polyester and polyamide fibers. Polyamide fibers love water and absorb a lot of it, while polyester fibers attract oil. Their secret? They've discovered the perfect ratio of polyester and polyamide fibers that make it possible for DermaClear to penetrate oily skin, attract the dirt and grime, and scoop it away from the face without the vigorous scrubbing and tugging. When your skin clears up, the rest of your skincare products get to penetrate the epidermis, allowing the formulation to enter the deeper layers of your skin. With everyday use, you'll notice your skin tighten and scars lighten, revealing a healthy, youthful, and glowing new you. How to use the Hey Skin DermaClear. So now I'm going to remove my makeup. First, I'm going to wash my face with clean water. And then I'm going to soak DermaClear and then squeeze it to remove excess water. And then you're going to wipe your face firmly in small circular motions starting from the tip of your nose going outwards. If you feel that the cloth is a bit dried up, you can soak it again with water. By the way, depending on your preference, you can use a cleanser with this or just simply use the Hey Skin DermaClear to remove your makeup. And then you may continue the rest of your skincare routine, or if at that particular moment you need to exfoliate, you may use the Hey Skin DermaClear as well. This side is the makeup remover, and on the other side is the exfoliator. It really depends on your preference if you want to use a cleanser as you exfoliate, or you may just simply use the Hey Skin DermaClear. Now I am going to use a cleanser. I'm just going to wet my face and then apply a cleanser. I'm gonna include my neck. And then I start to exfoliate. So I just press it in small circular motions. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Include your lips as well. And then wash your face and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. Remember that this side, the front side, is the makeup remover, and the other side, the inner portion of the facial cloth, is the exfoliator. Second, make sure to wash your SKIN DERMACLEAR after every use with a gentle facial cleanser or soap, and then air dry. And lastly, avoid using the SKIN DERMACLEAR with any alcohol-based astringents. For my review, let me start with facts, claims, and then later on my feedback. Facts. This retails at 2 facial cloths retails at 1,790 pesos, but I believe they are going to have a limited offer. 2 for only 895 pesos for updates. You may check their socials. I'll just place the links at the description box. And now for their claims or benefits. Claims or benefits. It claims to simplify and shorten your skincare routine. Deep cleanse without damaging your sensitive skin. Eliminate your use of harsh chemicals. For my feedback, likes, and dislikes, let me start with likes. First and foremost, yes to its claim that it simplifies the skincare routine. I mean, I get a 2-in-1 product. It cleanses or it removes makeup and it exfoliates at the same time. I am able to save time and money, really. Next is that it is very easy to use. It easily removes makeup with the right amount of pressure, by the way, not too strong, not too soft. And it is very easy to use as an exfoliant as well. The process is just the same. Speaking of saving on money, let me just state the obvious. I'm able to save on buying a makeup remover and an exfoliator at the same time. And very important, the result. Truly, skin feels smoother and softer and very fresh after every use. And it is readily available online. I'll place the links at the description box. And last but not the least, I truly believe it is fairly priced, especially if you compare it to other devices, skincare devices that give you the same result. For my dislikes, well, there is really nothing I dislike about this. Just a reminder though, you need to wash the SKIN DERMACLEAR after every use, so there is maintenance to this facial cloth. But it's okay, it is environment friendly compared to the other exfoliators or makeup removers, and it saves you a lot of money too. So, SKIN DERMACLEAR, yay or nay? Leave or love? Yay and love. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 product, if you're looking for a makeup remover and an exfoliator at the same time, if you want to save money and save time, I recommend the SKIN DERMACLEAR. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!